Hello everybody, how are you? Good afternoon, and this is here again, the Buck. All right, today I have something. I don't want to brag about myself, but I have something I need to really want to share about. Now, it was the year 2013. I think, no, it is January. Yeah, it was January, and then when I was at college, I just had a thinking about what the future of the phone's gonna be like. All right, so I did upload a video. I made a concept design out of a cardboard and a paper. So it's been almost how many? 2013, 2019. It's 6 years already, and that's the thing I want to say. Like, I already had an idea in 2013, probably 2012, end of 2012. I had an idea, and 2013 January 12th, I created a concept design out of cardboard and a paper. All right, I did post on YouTube. I did so to all my friends. They really loved it, and that's the thing. What I want to highlight is, in this whole wide world, anybody can be a person that can change the whole wide concept about how the world works, what the future of the technology can be like. So I'm gonna share a small video. Actually, I couldn't extract the video really, so I'm just gonna show through my YouTube page, the old page I have, and please do check it out. This is an item I conceived in my mind. I had an idea a long time ago, and it is about a folding phone. Now, the way we are like catapult towards is the smartphone is going to be something very new. Okay, and new in a sense that people are trying to do a folding style phones. We have Samsung, we have TCL, we have Huawei, we have maybe even Apple, maybe. But the thing is, I'm really proud of myself that I had a vision of these things long before it was even a reality. So please guys, and do share and support my video, and do support me so that I will be motivated to give an idea of things. You never know, one man can change the whole world. So maybe it's me, but nothing to brag about. But please do enjoy this video, and please do share and subscribe. Please do not forget to click the bell icon, and thank you so much guys. I would not be able to do this video until and unless you had a support on me. All right, so I really thank all of my friends, all of the viewers, and please enjoy. And the concept design I have is Futura, so I'm gonna add the video right now. Okay, cheers, thank you so much, and God bless you all.